a lot of freezing over there. The car no start. So we have a Mercedes CLA 2016, right? 2016. Have a code P050A. So in this code we have 3 problems. Or the intake leaking, or the throttle body no work, or the oxygen sensor is bad. So we check leaking, it doesn't have leaking, it doesn't have nothing. When you start the car, this car turn off automatic. Can you start the car please? So when you start the car, this car maybe around a couple seconds turn off. When it turn off automatic. So in this car, guys, we have a problem. So look at. Did you see? So this catalytic converter, it's gone. It's clogged, really bad. We'll start the car now, bro. Do first unplug the oxygen set. Let's see it. If you have leaking or something like this, let's start with remove the upper oxygen sensor and we'll see. Maybe it will help you because this guy goes to the dealer and you know what dealer does. So after we check it, guys, we find it's not the catalytic converter. It's the resin error. The muffler, it's frozen. It's full with water, it's frozen, it's ice inside. It's soft. Look. So we can start a little bit like this. Oh, now it's a little bit hot because I put touch.
Are you saying that there was snow and I got stuck
frozen.
inside of the
Touch.
fucking tailpipe?
It's frozen all.
Touch this. It's frozen.
How the hell does that happen?
You hear the noise?